Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, what I want to do in subsequent videos, I've shown you how you can create content using artificial intelligence. I've shared with you how you can use ChatGPT to do that. And in this particular video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can create images using artificial intelligence. Now, the reason why artificial intelligence is very important is because it helps you to reduce the amount of time you're going to be spending on creating content. Is that okay? So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use artificial intelligence. And I'll be introducing you to what is called Midjourney. Midjourney is a platform online, and it helps you to be able to create great designs just using your imagination. Is that okay? So let's quickly go into that. This is how the platform looks like. This is Midjourney on Discord. But before we go into that, let me show you how you can get access to Midjourney on your Google. So let's go to, just type in Midjourney on your browser. Once you type on Midjourney on your browser, you will be able to have access to a platform that looks like this. I believe you can see that. So just click on midjourney.com, and then once you click on Midjourney, you can see how it looks like here. So it has a free platform, so you can either sign in or you join the beta platform. So if you have an account, if you don't have an account, you can click on join the beta platform, and then it will add you to a Discord account. So you need to have created a Discord account. So if you don't have a Discord account, then you have to create one, and then you continue. So let's click on continue here. Okay. So this is the way the account looks like. So it's very simple. All you need to do is create so this is my my Discord account. Okay, so let's close this up. I'm not interested in this. So these are some of the other content that other people have been creating on Midjourney. You can see how crazy they've been creating content that are very, very, very powerful. Content like this can make video gaming exceptional because you can create stuff that nobody can think of. Is that okay? So I have my own personal server that I've created. How do I create this server? So all you need to do is come here to plus, click on add a server. Once you click on add a server, you click on create your own server. Once you create your own server, you can cancel. Once you cancel, you come back to Midjourney. This is Midjourney forum. Once you go to Midjourney forum, you go to where you have let's refresh this. You go to where you have all the other people joined, or any of the current hashtags. You can see this particular hashtag. Click on it, and then once you click on any of the rooms, you have access to it. It will show you that you can add. It will show you the member list, and then once you show you the member list, you can come here, and then click on the robot. So once you click on this Midjourney bot, you can click on add server. So when you click on add server, you will come here to select the particular server you want to add. Once that, you can see the server I created before is what is showing here, and then I'm able to have access to the particular server. So this is my server, and I will not be distracted by other people's content because I have the bot currently here. So these are some of the content I've created. Very interesting stuff. Okay, so I have the app here. So let me just walk you through how you can do that. So the way you set the command is you do imagine. I believe you can see that. Imagine slash imagine, and sorry, you're supposed to say slash imagine and then space. Then the prompt, before you start start doing that, that's just how you create the prompt. You need to probably create you can imagine a picture, or you upload a particular picture or something you want to promote. So let's say you have a picture of your shoe, a picture of your brand, a picture of your product, or something very peculiar to you that you want to promote. You can upload it and then create a variation of those particular content. That's how it works. So you can do that, or you can just imagine something out of the blues and then it creates it for you. So let's go back and see what I'm trying to say. So let's say imagine, sorry, don't forget, slash imagine space. Then let's say, what do you want to imagine? I want to imagine a shoe. So okay, don't forget, let's say something about hair, human hair, for it to be in pixel form, realistic, colorful, um, colorful. And then, so once you are done with that, you put in dash dash v space 4. And you click on enter. So this way, it will take the Midjourney bot some time to create a particular response for me that would help me to be able to make. So I believe you can see what I've clicked on. I don't know if my typing removed what I was trying to show you. So let me quickly show you what I typed. I typed in mid. Okay, so this is what it's bringing up for me. So you can see what. So I might not have added the necessary instruction. So you can see that human hair like this. So I want so don't forget, these are the instruction I've put in. I told it I want a human hair pixel. So the reason why it's bringing up this kind of image is because I added pixel. Is that okay? So I can go back to this. I can go back to this instruction, this particular stuff that I've. Let me copy this. I just come back to, okay, I don't want any of this, but you can see how beautiful stuff like this look like. So let's say I want this V4. Let's see V4. So that let's see how it looks like. Once you click on it, once you scroll down, you will see that it will show you better quality of the image. So there's a new job that is currently being done. So this is how artificial intelligence work for creating content. Something like this, Midjourney, for instance, has a lot of potential. It can be used to create, apart from you using it to create pictures that you can use to promote your brand. I believe there are pictures like this. For instance, you must have seen pictures like this in your brand. You might have pictures like this, but how do you now put this picture on humans? How do you put the pictures on individuals then to promote your brand? So you can do something like this and come. So the only limit to what you can do here is your imagination. The only thing that can limit you to getting the kind of results you want is your imagination. So as it loads up, so the loading up the time depends on the server time, the network, and so many other factors. So let's just wait for it. The job is almost done. Once it's done, it will bring up the higher resolution of that particular image that we've clicked on. Do you understand? So you can do your research and go ahead and look for different other terms, different words that will help you get desired results. Is that okay? Different words that will help you get desired results. So this is taking a bit of time, and you can see, voila, that is it. It is showing me nice images. So, but let's say I'm not okay with this. You can create or make variation, or to make if you make variation, so it will make other particular images. So let's go back to Imagine. Let me delete all this. /Imagine prompt, and then it's going. The prompt I want to do is this. I don't want pixel. I want real human. Okay. What again can we add? Add Facebook advert image. I want something that will look okay, let's just go with something like this and then click on enter. Don't forget the PV version 4 -v version 4. Let's see how one's going to come up with. So the only thing that can limit me here is my imagination. The only thing that can limit me is my imagination. So I believe you can see what I've typed. So let me zoom in so that I can see the new quality I put in here. So all I needed was human hair, and then I also needed to have okay. So this is real human. This is not a cartoon or an animation now. This is real human showing up here. So this is how powerful Pixel Midjourney can be. So colorful. Is this hair not colorful enough? So you can see that it looks like an advert. It looks like something I can use to run an ad. So here now, this is unique. This is specific. This can be used to target specific audience. So you can see that if I love this particular third one, so 1, 2, 3, this is the third one, so I can click on U3, so that I can give me a higher resolution of the U3, So once I do that, it will generate the content, and then voila, I'm ready to run my ad. So how this video has been very helpful. So let's just wait for the video to the image to come up, and then we are good to go. So what I've shown you is just a piece, a very small piece of the cake, bulk of the cake that is yet to be unraveled. So I'm expecting you guys to quickly go sign up on Discord, connect a Midjourney. So watch this video inside the beginning over and over again, so that you can start creating your own content. So below, I'll give you an instruction of how to do this. So let's say, okay, I think I should do one more thing. And what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you, let's say you have a product of an image that you want to use before now. So let's say I have a shoe, I sell shoes, and I have the image of my shoes already on my system, and I just want a possible variation of this particular shoe. So there might not be a way that you might directly be able to specify the color of a particular shoe. You might not be able to do that. So in this next example, I just want to show you how you can upload an image. So let's say you have a shoe, upload the shoe image, and once you upload the shoe image, you can then create a particular variation for that particular image that will give you a very unique quality. In fact, you might not even need to do that for your own image. So you might see the image online, and you might want to get something like this on the Midjourney app that would make unique sense. So let's go back and let me show you what I'm trying to say. Okay, very quickly. So you can see our image. I can download this particular image. So all you need to do is click on it. Click open original. I love this image. It looks very good. So all you need to do, click on original, then right click on it and click on save image. So the image is currently here, and I can go to my desktop and look for the image, because the image is now downloaded, and I can have access to this image. This is the image right now. So I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So okay, so let me show you what I want to show you now, how you can do what I just mentioned now. So let's say I want to go down. So let's zoom out a bit. Let's say I want to upload an image. So you click on plus icon, click on upload a file. Once you click on upload a file, and then you just have to look for the image you want to use. So let's say the image I want to use, image of a shoe. Okay, I sell shoes. Upload the shoe image. Once the shoe image is being uploaded, and then you just click on enter, allow it to upload the image. So the image is uploaded. So all you need to do is right click on the image, copy. You might not see the URL of the image this way. Click on the image since you have uploaded it. Right click on it and then copy image address. So I've copied the image address. Now I can click out and then come here, click on /imagine. I believe you can see my screen. Just a minute. /imagine. So once you do that, /imagine, then you click on imagine, then space, it will bring up the prompt. So on the prompt now, you paste the URL. Don't forget I've copied the URL of this image. So this particular image is what I want. But I want other things to be added to this particular image. So I want this image to become, I want a lightning and fire at the background. So I want the picture to be special. What do I want again? Let's say I want to be hyper. Okay, let us make it hyper realistic. It might affect the exact outcome that we want. Let's say we want to make it just want lightning and fire to be in the background. Let's just say that's all we want. Then click on space -v space. I believe you get that. -v space 4 because you're working on version 4, and then you click on enter, and then voila, it starts processing the image. So guys, this particular software have no limitation. There are a lot of things it will be able to do as time goes on. So let me pause this video and then show you what's going to happen at the end of the day. So let me just go back to the screen and then show you. Okay, we're waiting for it to load. It's currently at 0%. So make sure you are okay. Very good. Wow, wow, wow. This is crazy, man. Wow. You can imagine what it came up with. So it transformed the shoe and showed me what you can never imagine. So let's say you have uh something unique. But I think I love these three. These are four. This four and this two. Two and four makes sense. So let me use four. I think let's click on four. So you can actually download this particular image as well. Open this and then come back. You can see the image and then you can use Photoshop to separate them and then use them. But if you want a higher resolution of this particular shoe, so let's say I want three, come back to Discord, click on U4 so that to give you a high quality of image for. But you can see that from this particular image, you are having a very beautiful end product. Wow, this is really cool. So it gives you more, you can add more effects to your image. You can add more. So imagine if I had so much time to think of something very exceptional to create. So I would be able to create something that would look, so I can say walking on water. So that means you see this shoe walking on water. So you just can create so many things as much as your mind can believe. So that's all I think I have for you guys in this particular video. So before you watch this video, make sure you watch my former video on how you can create content using AI. You can create content using AI. So let's say this particular product I've been able to promote. I want to add it to my the ad I was setting up in the initial video. So of your ad. Is that okay? So I wish you guys all the very best as you journey. I'm making a lot of backup videos to show you what you need to do in subsequent times. Thank you very much. I remain Akinbola Ezekiel. See you in other videos.